Application is how you apply like the message to engage somebody to bring it positive, to bring like positive life, you know.
Hmm.
That's what I think. But even when I think it, for me, I think it's more of a season. And a season when something booms up, maybe
That's yeah, that's
it
true
could be a
too.
season when people just want to do what, or the door is open, or the barrier is, it is what, it is, it is broken up. Because I like your friends, how long did they take to like to do what, to to boom up? Was it like one video? It could be one video, or it could be like how many videos?
No, it took. I think it took some time for them, but I think what made people draw to them and come back more and more is that they just kept being very relatable, and they were themselves, but they were very relatable. You know, like I was saying with Tabitha Brown, she's in her kitchen cooking. That speaks to maybe a lot of women who go to work and they get off and they don't really want to cook, but they can put on a Tabitha Brown video and maybe start cooking with her. You know, it motivates them to start doing it. Or they like watching her because she's doing something that
They love,
most
they
people
do.
do. You just see her being a normal woman. She's just in the kitchen cooking, but she makes it very relatable. Or like Ling and Lamb, you know how much I love them too. You know, her husband was new to America and they started trying different foods in America. And so people thought it was interesting to see him trying all these different foods.
Discovering stuff.
Yeah, that he never discovered before. And his reaction to all the food he was trying. So that's how they got popular. But also when they just did normal videos where they're just maybe taking a drive or something, it's so entertaining.
Hmm.
Yeah.
I don't
Because
know.
people want to see you just, they want to know that they can relate to you. They want to know that you're just a normal person like them, but you also are engaging, you know? Like, or like Josh and Mama. They go out there. He started filming his mom cooking because the recipes she would cook was kind of like very, very unique or different.
Hmm.
Most people weren't used to seeing food like that. So he started recording her.
I don't know why my messages don't appear here.
Are you lying?
Yeah, I was trying. You see these messages here, they supposed to be like live, but I don't know what's wrong. They are all held up. You know, I don't know what's wrong with these. Because messages were appearing, like you can see.
What do you mean messages like people commenting?
Yeah, I don't know if it is a filter, chat filter, but I've struggled to fix this, but because it is easy when people are doing work. That's how you can engage with people. You see, the live is on,
Mm-hmm.
but it's hard to do what? Like, I don't know what happened. Here you can see like people are following you. Here, see people who like the video.
Turn it back around, the camera.
Hmm, like that. You don't want to be in the comment.
No, I don't want to be in the camera.
That's why I flipped it. So that you can do whatever you want. But I don't know what happened.